So over here in the timeline, you can see that I have a video footage, and now let's see how we can work around with the crop video effect inside of the project. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to go around into effects, and over here you can see that I have already searched for crop. But if you don't find crop, then simply go to included folder right here, and in the search, if you were to type in crop, you'll get that right here. So now there are two ways to apply this effect. So you can go around and apply it on the top just like this, or you can apply it in the footers. Either way, you can double click and see the effect just like this. So let's just go ahead right here and then apply this to the footers itself, and then double click, and over here you can see under video effects, you can see that crop is there. So in the crop, you have few options. You can go around and crop out the left, click and drag, or you can enter the value, let's say for example 25 right here. So I'm just going to add in 25, 25, 25 to all of it, and then 25% of the footage is cropped from all four sides. You also have an option to blur the edges, so the cropping is much more smoother, as you can see, and you can auto zoom. So whenever you crop, what happens is that it actually zooms in and stretches that portion out if you were to turn this on. So I'm just going to disable this out, and I'm going to press OK. And over here, now once you crop out, what happens is that if you were to bring in any other video footage beneath it, then you can actually see that video footage just like this. So that is how the crop effect actually works. So if I were to play this, then this is how you actually see this. You have the video footage on the back and you have it on the front as well. So I'm just going to double click right here, and then I'm going to go around into this video effect, and I'm just going to go around and then hit the cross button. So now how I'm going to apply crop is by adding it as a layer on top. So I'm going to go to effects right here, and then I'm going to grab the crop right here. And then what happens is that if I were to double click and click and drag, you can see that it crops out, but you do not see the layer underneath it. That is because it is affecting all the video layers beneath this little effect right here. So if I were to keep this on the top, then it won't affect this video footage, but if it is beneath, you can see that the video footage is being affected. So if I were to take this video footage, resize this, you can see that the crop is just affecting the footage beneath it. So depending on how you want it, you can work around with the crop just like this. So that is how you can work around with the crop effect inside of Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.